So I got the wood slices from eBay, a pack of, I think they're 30 for $6.99 and free postage. And I figured out I was going to make something cute with them. Now, I've painted on wood slices like this before, but I really like the veins of the tree lines, the age of the tree branches in these. They're really pretty. So I'm going to try and retain that. But rather than just do what I've done before and paint on these, I figured I was going to try something a bit different. I'm going to put some clay on them. But I'm going to go for a pastel theme. So all the clay colours I use, I'm going to mix with white. I'm going to see how this goes. To make the clay stick, I'm going to cover it with some liquid clay, with some Fimo liquid clay. So you can use Sculpey, liquid Sculpey, or I think there's one called Bacon Bond. And I'm just going to cover the whole surface because this will bake clear anyway. So it doesn't matter if it's all over, and it will seal our wood. Ooh, it feels kind of gross, but there we go. It's nice and in, and the clay will then stick. Now it's a little bit shiny under my light, but it's only temporary because once I start putting matte clay on, I'll just try and not shine it at you. Okay. I actually do possess some pastel colours. Now this is just cheap Fimo clay that I collected over the last couple of years from places like eBay. I've had gift sets from AliExpress, and I used to use them to do the clay embroidery. There's actually a video on my channel for clay embroidery, so they don't need to be super expensive clay. I think this little pack of colours is like 36 colours for maybe £5. And even though this is really pastel, I want it a little bit lighter. So I'm going to condition my clay and come back.
Dawn of the day. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth.
Well, nobody knows what happened to the troops because we've never heard from them again. They've never paid.